My dark season and wetin God teach me inside. You don't ever enter season where light just disappear. You don't ever pray tire, but answer still dey silent. You don't ever dey smile outside, but inside your heart dey cry, like say night no wan break. My person, I don't reach that place. That season dark, no sign, no direction, just questions. I ask God, why now? Why me? Why this silence? But inside that darkness, God still dey walk. Alan say, dark season no mean God don't leave you. Sometimes, na when he dey teach you pass. For dark, eye dey learn patience. For quiet, heart dey hear truth. For pain, faith dey grow root. I discover say, God no dey rush process. He dey shape you. Even when I no see road, he still dey guide step. Even when strength finish, he still dey carry me. That season humble me, strip pride, build trust. I learn say, God no waste tears. He dey water destiny with am. Bible talk for Isaiah 50 verse 10 say, all of una wey dey respect God and obey en servant words, the road wey una dey waka fit dey dark, but make una trust una oga God. Make una put hope for una God. That verse hold me, because even for dark, God still dey light. Even for silence, he still dey speak. So if today you dey inside dark season, no panic, no give up, no conclude story yet. Darkness no be burial, na planting. Morning go come, strength go return, joy go rise again. So rise small, trust again, hold God hand tight. Your dark season no go finish you, e go define you. Because when God teach you for dark, your light go blind doubt, and your comeback go shock everybody.
This na Greywood Whispers, voice wey no loud but get sense.